Alright, so it's cold out, and I'm just going to stay inside and make beats. So this video is trying to test a theory about the KO being a low-bit, lo-fi sampler. And what if you took that and mixed it with a guitar pedal, or two, or three? Alright, here it is, folks. The PO-33 K.O knockout. One thing that's actually really great about this is that you get this really lo-fi processing from the unit. But I think the real issue with this is actually the sequencer and how basic it is. So what I thought would be cool is if I took a guitar looper pedal, like this TC Electronics Ditto, and use that in conjunction with the PO-33. So what this pedal allows you to do is create a more live feel to your PO-33. So this looper pedal is super simple. It's just play, stop, record, and then you can undo your last record or delete all. It's got one knob, and that's basically your playback volume. Now, if you're already introducing guitar pedals to the pocket operator, what you can do is you can add in a compressor to help process the audio coming out of the PO-33. That'll help give more sustain. It'll compress, obviously. You can basically manipulate the sound quite a bit. And then, to make things really great, add in an EQ of some sort. In this case, I'm using this JHS Colour Box. And this pedal is modeled after the Neve 1073 preamp. So it's a great preamp. Sounds pretty good. You can do quite a bit with it. And then lastly, I'm adding in this headphone amp just to go from instrument level and into the headphone amp so I can listen to it and record it. So the signal flow here is you come out of the pocket operator, go into the compressor, go into the color box, the EQ, you go into the looper, and then out to the headphone amp. So this setup's great for just lo-fi beats, just real basic stuff. I mean, obviously you can add in guitars and basses and keys and other instruments and make things really interesting. But just this workflow, I think, makes the KO a lot more powerful, and it, prevents you from having to buy like an SP1200 or something to get real low-tech, crunchy samples.